Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and today I have a scrapbook page that I'm going to do that is quasi-vintage and also using a sketch. So I have these photos from my Nana's 75th birthday in 1984. Some people would say they're vintage. I don't, because it doesn't feel like that long ago, although I know it is. So yeah, let's just say that these are vintage photos because they're small square format. And there before you could, see what you're taking a photo of. So you had to click and hope for the best. Now I'm using a sketch from October 2021 by Page Maps, and it's a Halloween themed sketch. So part of this video as well is to show you that don't get stumped by sketches that are of a certain theme and you are not going to do that theme. The sketches are just a jumping point and an inspiration of what to do. So what I'm using for this page is part of a collection that I put together from my stash, and these two papers are from that collection. And I added a few more because I wasn't sure what else I wanted to do, like how I wanted to use the papers and the embellishments and stuff like that. So I've just found these two, the yellow and the purple, because on the flowers they have yellow and purple centers. Now the embellishments I'm using are from what I put in the collection. So we have packets of embellishments, the wooden buttons with twine and stuff like that, a packet of die cuts, some the hearts and butterflies are from something else. The doilies and the happy birthday sign is from a packet of headings, and the other embellishments that I've got now in my hand from a tray that I have sitting on my desk or close to my desk that I put bits and bobs in when I finished a page or a card or something, and I can't bother putting them away where they should go. I just dump them into this tray, and this tray has been evolving for quite some time now, and when I do a layout or a card, I try and choose from that tray as much as I can to get those things used up so I don't have to put them away. So I will pop the sketch up in the top left hand corner so that you can see what I'm doing as I do this layout. And what I think I will do is fast forward this, put some music on, and you can just watch me make this page. So it's not going to be anything vintage, even though the photos are vintage. It will have the brown in it because the wood grain goes well with the photos. But that's about as vintage looking as it's going to be. So I'll be back when the page is finished with some close-ups and a little bit more chat, and I'll see you then. Okay, so the page is just about finished here. I'm just adding a few gold rhinestones because I wanted to bring more gold out, because there's gold in the title and the couple of leaves that were with the title. So my finishing touch is just some gold enamel, well, not enamel dots, they're like a jewel. So I'm really pleased with how this came out. It's not vintagey at all, but they're vintage photos, and I'm really pleased with that and the look of it. And I'm going to have to, I think, find a way to tuck in some hidden journaling or something, because there's quite a lot I want to say about this layout, about the times, what's happening in 1984, things about the family, about my nana, how we always got together for birthdays or anything, or any excuse for a party. And also, like, if you look closely in one of the photos, you can see a great big ashtray on the table next to a plate of pikelets. So, like, you'd never find that these days. People would never have an ashtray on the table with food. Most people wouldn't smoke inside, but back then, just about the whole family, the elder generation smoked. So that's definitely something you would not find today. And yeah, there's lots I want to say about this layout. So I'm really happy with how it came out, sorry. And I think it sort of mirrors, sorry, the sketch. And yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with how it came out. It didn't take much to get a nice page. So what I've got coming up now is some close-ups of the layout. If you've liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Hit the thumbs up so I know that you've liked this video. And please comment below. I love hearing from my watchers. Is that what you're called? Yeah, people who watch my videos. So leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.